Dig Management – Loading repair data for digs. Welcome back. In this video, we will provide an overview of how to bulk load repair data for anomalies in digs you have created under a dig plan as part of our Cognitive Integrity Management User Guide video series. Before we get into the solution, in order to get the most value from this step, you must ensure the following. You have previously created a dig plan and grouped anomalies into digs under it. Okay. Now we are ready to jump into the solution. To get to the Dig Management module, you will see it as an option under Processes in the main navigation bar. From the Dig Plan search screen, you will need to find the dig plan that you previously created. Click on the Edit or View icon to open the dig plan details. Once the dig plan details screen loads, you should be focused on the Digs tab by default. In the Digs tab, you will see a digs grid that will list any digs that you have created. For each dig record, you are able to drill down further into them to see the details of that specific dig using the action icons for each record. There is also a checkbox to the left of each dig to allow you to complete mass actions that appear at the top right of the grid once you select at least one dig. For this video, we will be focusing on the Repair Export option. To be able to access this option, first, be sure to check the box for one or more digs. Then, click the Report button at the top right of the grid. From here, choose the Repair Export option. When the export is ready, you will receive a notification. The Repair Export option will export out data for the digs selected into an Excel template. This Excel file can be forwarded to the field to fill out as they discover actual information on the anomalies they are digging. This data will help the field identify which anomaly they are looking for and where it is located. Once this is filled out, the spreadsheet can then be loaded back into the SIM to mass update all the data back into the anomalies so that the repair history for each is tracked. To load the data back into SIM, you must navigate to the Processes menu and choose the Upload Data option. From the Template dropdown, choose ILI Repair Template. Enter a name for this job. Click Browse and choose the file from your computer or drag and drop a file into the Select Files field. Click the Upload button to start the process. You should get a notification when your job is completed loading successfully. Once complete, all anomalies listed in the sheet loaded will get updated with data from the load. You can view the data and continue editing if necessary by drilling down into the digs and viewing the anomaly details within it. These anomalies can also be found and edited in the Threat Monitoring module. We have now covered a basic overview of how to load repair data. Please feel free to send any questions related to this module to support@onebridgesolutions.com. Thank you for joining. Please continue to the next video in the series.